Well, here's the 55. It wouldn't start because, hate to say it, it's an exide battery. Exide batteries always fail on me. 3 in a row failed. This one is FVP Platinum. And so far so good. I can run this in my Alfa Romeo. I can run this in my 87 Nissan V6 truck. And it runs good in the Porsche. Of course, this battery box needs to be rebuilt. I've got it lifted up like that just to force the fuel to the back because I don't have a electric fuel pump. But there it is. If you have a poor battery, and that can take out the starter motor, I can take out a lot of shit. So start with a good battery and keep all your terminals clean, everything oiled, and drive your cars, because if you don't drive them, this shit happens where it's stalled out. And you know, modern gas has got ethanol in it and really fucks them up. But yeah, what a bummer, man. 3 exide batteries in a row, all failed. That car runs. It's back in action. Rebuilt starter motor, high torque starter. I converted the car to 12 volt. Bit more reliable. There it is. And it's got the Pertronix ignition, and so it starts up better. If you let cars sit, they'll smoke. So just gotta make sure you run them all the time. But that's the last exide battery I'm gonna ever buy. And you know what's a bummer is the Schumacher charger will tell you that it's charged, and it can be charged, but it just doesn't have all cells working. So I suspect that's the problem with this battery. But anyway, this is a great car. I miss driving this thing every day. It's really awesome, and needs a lot of work, but you know, just got to make it operational. And there it is. New surfboard, a little too small for me, but yeah, we'll see. Cool. Just a short video. I got a lot of work to do on it, but you know, at least it runs today. That's awesome. I'll see you on the next YouTube video. So don't buy exide batteries, you'll be sorry. And try to not buy ethanol fuel, you'll be sorry. And but you can add the fuel additives to it. You know, that'll help. Anyway, what a relief. It's running again. See you on the next YouTube.